Hey Miles, it's Anthony down at Anchor Cars. Just giving you the video walk around of the mx-5. Front driver's alloy, all in good condition. Quarter panel and front bumper are all good, no scuffs. Passenger side alloy wheel in good condition. Bonnet's all good. I haven't been able to see in my viewing of the vehicle any scratches, any stone chips. Passenger side of the vehicle on the side skirts is in good condition. Wing mirrors not scuffed. Passenger door is good, as is the rear alloy wheel. I think tiny, see my finger on there, tiny little stone chip on the wheel arch. Rear lights, rear bumper and boot lid are in good condition. Alloy wheel, passenger side of the car, sorry, driver's side of the car, all good. Wing mirror in good condition, no staining or marks to the roof. Inside, a little bit of grub that will come off when we give it a clean. It's all good. Seats, as you would expect, look like they've barely been sat in. Inside of the roof, oh, excuse the light, let's see if that helps. There we go. That's all good. Let's have a little sit in here with you. Centre console, gear stick, handbrake, all good, as is the steering wheel. Any other information you need, I can get it fired over and I'll work some quotes out for you.